Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for May 7th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, the FDA granted priority review to a marketing application from Roche's Genentech unit for the PD-L1 inhibitor Tecentriq in combination with Avastin plus standard chemotherapy for the first-line treatment of patients with metastatic non-squamous, non-small cell lung cancer. The U.S. regulator is expected to render its decision on the filing by September 5th. In other news, AstraZeneca entered into an agreement with Luye Pharma for the sale and license of rights for both the immediate and extended release formulations of its atypical antipsychotic Seroquel in the UK, China, and other markets, including Brazil, Australia, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, South Korea, Thailand, Argentina, Malaysia, and South Africa. Under the agreed terms, Luye will pay $538 million in consideration to AstraZeneca, including a payment of $260 million immediately following closure of the transaction, expected by the end of the second quarter, with a milestone being also payable upon the transition of certain activities to Luye. Also in the news, Sarepta Therapeutics has broadened its alliance with Invitae to assist clinicians in identifying patients with Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Doug Ingram, chief executive at Sarepta, said, "Our partnership with Invitae is important to advancing our clinical study objectives across our entire RNA-based platform." And finally, AstraZeneca investors are being urged by proxy advisory firm Institutional Shareholder Services to vote against the drug maker's non-binding pay report at its annual meeting this month. ISS stated that a vote against this resolution is warranted on account of concerns around the level of disclosures and the outcomes under the company's annual bonus framework. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.